Katie here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. That's your vibe. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my October update for the Panopoly Project Pan. So if you want to see all of the items we've been working on and half of the items that I hit goal, then let's go ahead and just get on into it. If this is a project that you haven't been following along with, it was created by Jami, the Impulsive Panner, here on YouTube and over on Instagram. And this is a Monopoly game board inspired project where you roll dice to travel around the board and you do what the prompt tells you to do. This is the third iteration of the board. You were to start with 5 prompts and it's rolling style from there. I work on 6. Jami's pretty lax. You can kind of do whatever you want. So I'm currently working on 6. And I like it. So, the item that has been in the very, very longest was for gold. Something gold. And I had a 10 use goal on that guy. And that is my Jeffree Star lip liner in the shade Calabasas. As you can see, the writing's gold. The lid is gold. But the pencil itself is a pink pencil. I used it 6 times in September, and I met my goal September 22nd. It's nice. It's a very nice lip liner. Even though I'm getting into lip liner, I still find myself that, like, I have to remember and, like, actually remind myself to use lip liner. But it's nice and I liked it. So that is a rollout. Then we have least used product. And for that, I had brought in my Jeffree Star The Gloss in Shockwave. I used it twice, once in September, and on the 11th of September, I decided to declutter it. It burned my lips, and it's not a plumping gloss. It would, like, sting and burn, and I would get that, like, weird back of the throat tingly when I would use it, so I decluttered it. And for this project, when I declutter something, that's a goal met. We just move on, because we like to roll things in. So, that is a goal met. She gone. Then for something white, and this is our last rollout, I had a 10 use goal on this guy. This is from Formula Z. As you can see, the cap here and lid and all of that is white. And this is a setting spray. I only got 4 uses because that finished it. And I'm counting that as a goal met because we have an empty. So though I didn't hit my 10 uses, I have an empty. And that is even better than hitting a usage goal. Now we have 3 products that we are still working on that will be rolling over at least until the next month. We have for spring, and I got choose your own use, so I picked 10 uses, and I picked this Give Me Glow blush in Stifler's Mom, because between the packaging and the color, it gives me spring vibes. And I'm at 3 out of 10 uses. I'm working on, you know, a lot of blush right now. So I'm just kind of rotating. This might roll out next month, or it might be November. Could be a toss-up. Then we had eyes, just something for eyes, and that was a 10-use goal as well. So I brought in, this is from Pretties for Your Face. It's in the shade Rose Champagne. And I've used it 4 out of my 10 times. So we're getting there. I haven't even used it on the eyes, actually. I've used it as a highlighter 4 out of 10 times, but still counts. And last but not least, for things we were still working on that I got high end, and I had to roll the dice to get my usage. And I got 8 uses on this Valentino lipstick here, and I've used it once. This is going to be in for a hot minute because it's such a dark shade, but we are going into the more vampy months, so hopefully that will help. But currently sitting at 1 out of 8 uses on that guy. So we do get to roll in 3 new products. So let me 2, 3, and boom. So I'm going to screen record. I already have everything pulled up for you guys. So let's just hit the screen record button and we will get it on going. So dice, we got 9. So if we go on over to our board, we last ended on high end. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got red. That's fun. So now, spin that random use wheel. We got roll the dice. So what are our uses? We got 5. 5 uses. All right. So we got another 9. All right, with the big numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're just visiting. So we roll again. We got 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Gold again. We roll out one gold product to roll in another. What is our random use for our gold item? 15 uses. Gotcha, gotcha. Oh. And we got 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got eyes. And our random use wheel for our eyes. Choo! We got 20 uses. Okay, I'm gonna go pick out all these products and I'll be right back so we can swatch them. Okay, that actually wasn't too hard. So for our red item, which was the one that took me the most time, which only took me a couple seconds, I'm bringing in my other Jeffree Star lip liner. This is in Unicorn Blood, and it is this darker red, which I think will pair really beautifully with that Valentino lipstick. So, and it's only a 5-use goal. I think I can get 5 uses a lot more quickly than I did on Calabasas. So we're bringing that in for our red item. Then for gold, this is a little bit of a stretch, but it's new to me and I want to use it. And I think it'll be nice. This is from Makeup Revolution. It's their cream bronzer. If you can see here, the letters are gold on the packaging. So I'm taking it. And I have mine in the shade medium. Yes, medium. Because light looked too light. And medium is a little deep, to be honest, but it works. Wrong thing. So we're going to use this 15 times. And then last but not least for eyes, I have my Hourglass Vanish Voyeur eyeshadow stick in the shade Moon. I just got this in my FabFitFun. So there is that, and this is a 20 user. So that'll definitely let me know how I feel about the eyeshadow stick. But those are the 3 items that we are rolling in for this month's update. And hopefully we can have some more rollouts for next month. If not, I might just roll some stuff in just because. But that's going to do it for my October update. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.